Hello students, welcome to Raishu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class. Subject intelligent test and the topic is series or we can say the sequence. So this is a new topic and in this one the subtopic is numbers. So this video is an explanation and with some examples we will see. So what exactly the series or we can say the sequence? Sequence means consequently coming the numbers. Particularly this subtopic is the numbers. So related to the numbers. So in a series or we can say in a subsequent or we can say the sequence wise the numbering comes. Okay, so that number is with something relations means adding or subtracting or we can say multiplication or we can say the division with these four operations, and there are the some squares, cube, or even say the even numbers, odd numbers, and their places of the digits like this one. So this is the relations with mathematics relations, but in a sequence these numbers are increasing or we can say the decreasing on this particularly operation basis. So there is relations. So on that keeping the same relations we have to predict the next numbers, okay, or we can say the intermediate number also, and that number from the options we have to choose and we have to submit that as a correct answers. So the inner name means the series and the sequence of the numbers. See, it is very easy. Okay, so comparison on a fractions basis or we can say ascending order or descending order or we can say the prime numbers or triangular numbers or we can say the consecutive numbers, then even, add, odd, like this one. These are the mathematical or we can say the arithmetical relations are there. So this is the series of the numbers. So we will see this number and we will understand this number series from the some examples. So we will start the example from 1 to there are the total 15 examples. So there is a common instruction or we can say the directions. So find the correct alternative to replace the question mark in the series given below. So in every question having some series and with a question mark. So on that particularly question mark, here also some question mark. On that question mark, which number will be correctly will come, that we have to choose from the options. Okay, and that option we have to submit as our correct answer. Now question number 1. So in this series 1, 3, 5, 7 and then question mark. So this is very simple. We can say this is a odd numbers this one series. Okay, so 1 plus 2 3, then after this one odd number 5, then after this one 7, and after this one the 9 comes. So option number 1, 9 is a correct one for this one. Now question number 2, 5, 8, 12, 17 and 23. So in this one if you see 5 to 8 3 added. Okay, so 8 to 12 there are the 4 added. Okay, means 4 numbers get added. After 12 5 is added, then 17 comes, and in 17 6 added, then 23 comes. So in this sequence 3, 4, 5, 6. So here 7 must be added. So 23 must plus 7, there must be the 30 here. So 30 means option number 1 correct one. Now question number 3, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. So what exactly this series? So this is a prime number series. After 13, which will be the 17 is the prime number. So 17 is a in option number 3 is a correct one. Now question number 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 and then question mark, and after this one the 30. This is the multiple of the 5, means we can say the 5 table. So after 20, 25 is there, we know. So option number 4, 25 is the correct one. Now question number 5, 13, then 26, then 39, 52 and then question. So this is the 13 tables. 13 ones are, then 13 twos are, 13 threes are, then 13 fours are, likewise 13 fives are. So 13 fives are 65. So 65 means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 6, 2, 3, 5, 8, 12, 17 and then question mark. So here if you see 2 plus 3 here 1 add, then 3 to 5 here 2 added, then 5 to 8 here 3 added, like this one here 4 added, means 1, 2, 3, 4 and then here 5 added. So this is the every numbering wise, this is the additions is there. So after 17 here 6 added means 6 plus 17, so there must be 23, and which is available in option number 3. Now question number 17, 12, 19, 26 and 33. So in this one, if you see, every number has some fixed difference, means 12 and 19 here the 7 difference, then 19 and 26 here also 7 difference, then 26 and 33 here also 7 difference. Likewise, so in a 33 and the next number which will be replaced at the question mark, that must have the 7 difference, means 33 plus 7, it should be the 40, and the 40 is available in option number 2. Now question number 8. So in the question number 8, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13 and 21 and then question mark, this is the number series given. Now in this one, if you see, 2 plus this 3, the total comes 5, and that will replace in the next number. So previous number and then we can say the next number will comes. So now 5 plus this 3, 8, so that will comes the in a next number. So 8 plus this 5, that will comes means 13 in a next number. So 13 plus 8, that comes the 21, that will comes the in a next number. So likewise 21 plus 13, so it will come the 34. So 34 will replace on a question mark. So 34 means option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 9, 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. So what exactly these numbers? So if you remember, these are the square numbers. 1 is the square of the 1, 4 is the square of the 2. Likewise, here the 3 square, here 4 square, here 5 square. And now after this question means on a question mark, 6 squares means 36 will comes. So option number 2 is the correct one. Now question number 10. If you see, 356, 467, 578. So what will be the next number which can be replaced on question mark? If you keenly observe, so 100 place means 3, 4 and 5. These are the in sequentially, okay, means 1 increases here, here also 1 increases. Same like on tens place, here the 5, here 6 and here 7, means 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Likewise here on a unit place also, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8. So everywhere the 1 1 get additions. So likewise in unit place, 8 plus 1 9, tens place 7 plus 1 8, and on 100 place there is a 5 plus 1 6. So 6 8 9, and 6 8 9 is comes in option number 3. Now question number 11, 8, 27, 64, 125, and there is a question mark. If you see, these are the cube number series. Now 8 is a cube of the 2, 27 is a cube of the 3. Likewise 4 cube is a 64 and 5 cube is a 125. So in the next 2 3 4 5 means next one is the 6 cube. So what is the 6 cube? 6 cube is the 216. So that's why 216 in option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 12, 2, 5, 11, 23, 47 and then question mark. So if you multiple 2 with this number and then addition of the 1, we get the next number. So 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 plus 1, this 5 comes. Now 5 multiplied by this 2, 10 plus 1, 11 comes. So likewise 11 multiplied by this 2, it's a 22 plus 1, it's a 23. 23 multiplied by 2, 46 comes, plus 1, 47 comes. So in the same this manner, 47 multiplied by 2, it's a 94, and this plus 1 means 95 should be replaced to the question mark, and 95 is available in question number option number 3. Now question number 13, 105, 206, 307, 408 and then question mark. So on 100 place, so here 1, then here 2, 3, 4. So next number must be 5, and there is a 0 at the tens place, so we will keep as it is. And then at the unit place, here 5, 6, 7, 8 and then here must be 9. So 509 means 509. So this is available in option number 3. Now question number 14, 2, 5, 10, then 17, then 26. So what exactly the relations? So here 1 square is 1, so plus 1 means 2 comes. Now 2 square is 4, 4 plus 1, this 5 comes. Likewise 3 square is 9, 9 plus 1, this 10 comes. So 4 square plus 1 means 17 comes. Likewise 5 square 25 plus 1, this 26 comes. So in the same sequence 6 square 36 plus 1, 37 must be there. So 37 is in option number 2. Now question number 15. Now here 16, 18, 22, 24, 28 and then question mark. If you see here the difference is 2 and then here 4, here 2, here 4. So now again here must be the 2. So 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. So this repeatedly order difference is maintaining, okay, in a sequentially. So we have to maintain after 4 2 must be there. So 28 plus 2 30 must be there, and 30 is available in option number 1. So these are the questions. I hope you understand this sequence, or we can say the series topic for particularly subtopic number is there. So in next video we will see the more examples which are from the Navneet Digest. Thank you.